Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to the captivating landscapes of Thailand. Our destination, the top 5 places renowned for their rich biodiversity and natural beauty. From lush rainforests to vibrant coral reefs, Thailand is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Let's begin our exploration. Our first stop takes us deep into the heart of southern Thailand, to Khao Sok National Park. This ancient rainforest, one of the oldest in the world, is a sanctuary for an astonishing array of life. Towering limestone cliffs, draped in emerald green foliage, pierce the sky, softened by cascading waterfalls. The air hums with the symphony of the jungle. Cicadas chirp, their rhythmic melodies punctuated by the calls of exotic birds. High in the canopy, dusky langurs leap from branch to branch. On the forest floor, a different world unfolds. Giant rafflesia flowers bloom, attracting carrion flies that serve as pollinators. Khao Sok is a haven for endangered species, where tigers still roam free. The shy Malayan tapir treads carefully through the undergrowth while gibbons swing through the canopy. The park is home to over 1,500 plant species, including towering dipterocarp trees. These ancient giants create a dense canopy that filters the sunlight. Beneath their embrace, ferns, orchids, and mosses thrive. Over 48 mammal species call this park home, including elephants, leopards, and sun bears. The park's rivers and lakes teem with fish, providing food for otters, crocodiles, and kingfishers. Khao Sok National Park is a testament to the power of conservation. Our journey now takes us north to Doi Inthanon National Park, home to Thailand's highest peak, standing majestically at 2,565 meters above sea level. Here, amidst the cool mountain air, we find a sanctuary of biodiversity and tranquility. We discover a place where conservation efforts are preserving nature's delicate balance, ensuring that future generations can enjoy its splendor. As we ascend into the highlands, the air grows cooler, a refreshing change from the tropical heat below. Montane forests adorned with vibrant rhododendrons and magnolias come into view, painting the landscape with their colorful blooms. Towering waterfalls cascade down moss-covered cliffs, creating a symphony of sound that echoes through the valleys. The summit of Doi Inthanon offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys, a breathtaking sight that leaves visitors in awe. Doi Inthanon is a sanctuary for a unique assemblage of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The park is home to over 360 bird species, including the vibrant green-tailed sunbird and the elusive Mrs. Hume's partridge, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. The dense forests are also home to wild boars, barking deer, and other fascinating wildlife. Among the most elusive inhabitants is the clouded leopard, a rare and majestic predator that roams these highlands. But Doi Inthanon is more than just a beautiful landscape, it is a living testament to the power of conservation. The park's rangers work tirelessly to protect its fragile ecosystems, patrolling the forests and educating visitors about the importance of conservation. Community-based conservation programs empower local villagers to become stewards of their natural heritage, fostering a deep connection between people and the environment. One inspiring success story is the reintroduction of the Siamese fireback pheasant, a species once on the brink of extinction. Through dedicated breeding programs and habitat restoration efforts, this beautiful bird has been given a new lease on life, symbolizing hope and resilience. Eco-lodges and responsible trekking companies offer visitors a chance to experience the park's beauty while minimizing their impact, promoting sustainable tourism. As we leave Doi Inthanon, we carry with us not just memories of its stunning vistas, but also a profound appreciation for the delicate balance of nature and the efforts being made to preserve it for future generations. Our journey now takes us to the turquoise waters of the Andaman Sea, where the Similan Islands emerge like jewels, scattered across the ocean. This archipelago of 9 islands is renowned for its pristine beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and crystal-clear waters, making it a paradise for marine enthusiasts. As our boat glides over the azure waters, we are greeted by the serene beauty of the sea. We catch glimpses of the underwater world below, teeming with life and color. Schools of brightly colored fish dart amongst the coral, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. Giant sea turtles glide effortlessly through the water, embodying grace and tranquility. The Similan Islands are a kaleidoscope of marine life, showcasing an incredible diversity of species. They are a vital breeding ground for marine species, ensuring the continuation of many life forms. and a haven for coral reefs, which are essential to the health of our oceans. Scientists from around the world flock to the Similans to study these fragile ecosystems, drawn by the unique opportunities they present. Marine biologists are studying the resilience of corals to bleaching events, which are becoming more frequent due to climate change. They are also investigating the impacts of ocean acidification, a growing threat to marine life. One innovative project is the use of 3D printing technology to create artificial reefs, which mimic the complex structures of natural reefs. These structures provide a substrate for coral larvae to settle on, promoting reef growth and helping to restore damaged areas. The Similan Islands are also a hub for citizen science, where ordinary people can contribute to scientific research. Divers and snorkelers play an active role in monitoring the reefs, collecting data that is crucial for conservation efforts. By collecting data on coral cover, fish populations, and water quality, they help scientists understand the health of the ecosystem. Citizen scientists contribute valuable information that can lead to better protection and management of these precious resources. This collaborative approach to conservation empowers individuals to become stewards of their oceans, fostering a sense of responsibility and connection. The Similan Islands are a shining example of how science and conservation can work hand in hand, creating a sustainable future for our oceans. As the sun sets over the Similan Islands, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains this living laboratory for environmental science. It is a place where nature's beauty and scientific inquiry come together, inspiring us to protect and cherish our planet. Our adventure now leads us to Phang Nga Bay, a breathtaking seascape of towering limestone cliffs and hidden lagoons. This place is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. This iconic bay is not just a place of stunning natural beauty, but a model for sustainable ecotourism. Here, the principles of environmental stewardship are woven into the very fabric of tourism. As our longtail boat navigates through the waterways, we are reminded of the delicate balance that must be maintained to preserve such a pristine environment. We are surrounded by towering limestone karst formations, each one a testament to the geological history of the region. These geological wonders are draped in lush vegetation, creating a vibrant tapestry of green that is both soothing and awe-inspiring. The air is alive with the sounds of nature. Birds chirp, insects buzz, and the gentle lapping of water against the boat creates a symphony of natural music. Phang Nga Bay is a haven for wildlife, both above and below the waterline. The biodiversity here is astounding, offering a glimpse into the richness of life that thrives in this protected area. White-bellied sea eagles soar overhead, their majestic wings cutting through the sky with grace and power, while dusky langurs leap from branch to branch, their agile movements a testament to the adaptability of life in this unique ecosystem. Beneath the surface, the waters teem with life. The coral reefs are bustling with activity, each species playing a crucial role in the underwater community. Colorful reef fish dart amongst the coral, their vibrant hues adding splashes of color to the underwater landscape, while cuttlefish blend seamlessly with their surroundings, showcasing their incredible ability to camouflage and adapt. Phang Nga Bay is a shining example of how ecotourism can be a force for good. It demonstrates that tourism, when done responsibly, can contribute to the preservation of natural habitats. Responsible tourism operators offer guided kayak tours through the mangroves, allowing visitors to experience the beauty of these ecosystems up close without causing harm. Local communities are actively involved in conservation efforts, ensuring that the benefits of tourism are shared and that the environment is protected for future generations. Fishermen are now trained as tour guides, sharing their knowledge of the bay's ecosystem and fostering a deeper connection between visitors and the natural world. They provide insights into the delicate balance that sustains the bay's ecosystem, highlighting the importance of every species and habitat. Visitors are encouraged to leave no trace of their presence, to take only memories and leave only footprints. Educational initiatives raise awareness about the importance of conservation, teaching visitors how they can contribute to the protection of these precious environments. As we bid farewell to Phang Nga Bay, we carry a deep appreciation for the balance between tourism and conservation. This journey has shown us that it is possible to enjoy the beauty of nature while also protecting it. We leave with a renewed commitment to support and promote responsible tourism practices, ensuring that places like Phang Nga Bay can be enjoyed by future generations. Our final destination takes us to Erawan National Park, where cascading waterfalls create a spectacle of natural beauty. This park, named after the mythical three-headed elephant, is a testament to nature's enduring power. As we venture deeper into the park, the sound of rushing water grows louder. The Erawan Falls cascade down 7 tiers of limestone cliffs. The water, 1,000 shades of turquoise and emerald, plunges from one tier to the next. Erawan National Park is a sanctuary for a diverse array of flora and fauna. Delicate orchids cling to the mossy rocks. Curious macaques scamper through the trees. Beneath the surface of the pools, small fish dart amongst the rocks. Erawan National Park is more than just a beautiful spectacle, it is a place where visitors can reconnect with nature. The park offers well-maintained trails that lead to hidden viewpoints and secluded swimming holes. Erawan National Park is a testament to the power of nature to inspire and rejuvenate. The roar of the waterfalls and the vibrant colors of the rainforest create an exhilarating experience. As we leave Erawan National Park, we carry a profound sense of peace and appreciation for nature. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Thailand's top natural talent hotspots. From the ancient rainforests of Khao Sok to the cascading waterfalls of Erawan, we've witnessed the incredible biodiversity and inspiring conservation efforts that make Thailand a true natural wonder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content about the world's most incredible places. See you in the next video.